with the Law and You on Eyewitness News, and today we're talking about a situation that sounds strange, but you're going to find out it tends to be more common than you think. We have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli here. Guys, good to see you tonight.
It's great to be here as always.
I bet. Big smiles, big smiles. All right.
We're thrilled.
Not a lot of smiles in this one for Paul in Hanover. Kind of a serious situation here. I had a routine medical procedure at a local hospital. After the procedure, I had a lot of pain. They did an x-ray and found out that a sponge was left inside me. I am furious and want to sue. What should I do? And you guys say this is something you hear about more often than you might think.
Yeah, you know, Paul, this actually happens. We'd like to say it never happens, but it does happen. So, you know, in any medical procedure, there should be an instrument count, meaning, you know, scalpels, scissors, etc., and there should be a sponge count because they're using sponges during this particular medical procedure. So if you have 10 going in, you're supposed to have 10 coming out, and a lot of times what happens is somebody doesn't do the sponge count. And, you know, your case, it's a very clear case of negligence, no question about it. Your case is going to come down to the damages. Obviously, you're going to have another procedure to remove the sponge, but at the end of the day, you know, it's going to be the extent of the damages that's going to really dictate, you know, the value of your particular case.
Yeah, and then with this situation, gather your records up, you know, from the hospital, the OR, wherever you had your procedure done, and get all your records. And I think the quickest, just get to a lawyer, get the advice you need, get counsel, and, you know, move the case along, because it's clear negligence, and then they can assess the damages as they go.
All right, so this sounds very complicated, and our viewers that want some direction or need some advice and they want to talk to you, how can they do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
And once you have your records, you know, certainly can take a look at this very quickly for you, give you an idea of kind of where you're at and what, you know, what the potential value or damages in your case are.
All right, great advice as always. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, we'll see you next time.
You got it.
All right, don't forget you can find out more at pahomepage.com or submit a question through the Law and You hotline.